Hello guys, welcome to Juju Vibes TV. Looking for a fresh and stylish new look? In this video, we're showcasing the latest trending haircut styles for girls that are taking over this season. From chic bobs to layered cuts, curtain bangs to pixie styles, there's something for every hair type and personality. Whether you want a bold transformation or a subtle upgrade, these haircut ideas will inspire your next salon visit. Sparkles what you'll find in this video. Heavy checkmark most popular haircut trends for girls in 2025. Heavy checkmark hairstyles for short, medium, and long hair. Heavy checkmark styling tips to enhance each cut. Heavy checkmark inspiration from celebrities and fashion influencers. Person getting haircut female sign. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty and fashion content every week.